about YouTube, so I had a lot of people talking shit about my battery design. Thought I didn't do it right. There's a guy that has the same car just like me, but mine's better. He's using two of the same batteries. He's telling me that I didn't do it right because I'm supposed to use two of the same batteries, which you don't have to. It's all personal preference. But the way we do things around here is, you can see the fuse block. You see it's not even connected yet. I haven't started using it yet. So technically this is not joined together. I just got this there for now for testing purposes. But I did get a connection for the battery, so I ordered 10 more feet of wire. This is why this only has one wire and all these are naked and empty, because those two leads that go to the block are going to get moved to here. And then I'm thinking about for the battery block, I'm going to have to mount it here because I really got no room. So that's going to have to go here. And then this lead is going to have to get changed. So when I get my battery block in here, which is a good thing because it's not really, I'm wasting wire. Like this wire is going to get cut shorter. So I'm going to have a lot of extra small pieces. Like I don't really have wire right now, because my wire selection is fucking low as fuck. Which is why I ordered 10 more feet. The wire that I have for the battery isolator is this one, which is not going to be long enough for what I need to do. That's probably going to be too short. But this is a good wire too. This is a fucking... See right there. This is the fucking good wire. This is from I forgot what fucking company I ordered. Oh, from fucking Sky High. Right, YouTube, we back in the mix. So I had a lot of people that were talking shit about my battery design, and I'm not even done yet. And there was a guy that was talking shit specifically because he had the same car. He was saying that you got to run two of the same batteries, not the way he did his setup. But let me tell you the method to my madness, right? So let's go ahead. As you can see, I got extra wire here for what I want to do. The wire is not going to be long enough. This is going to be too short. This is stuff I like to use. This is from Sky High. See, it's oversized 0 gauge. Compared to this 0 gauge, you can see it. There's a noticeably a size difference. This is the stuff I use for my alternator. This is not going to be long enough for what I need to do. So I'll close that up. So I'm putting a battery isolator inside here. The battery isolator, I'm gonna mount it here because I really got no room to put it nowhere else. That should be here in a few days, as long as the 10 foot of wire I ordered. This is why people talk shit and they're not fucking looking. So this is not even hooked up yet. You can see the fuses popped. Even though there's a wire running to it, this was just for testing purposes, just to make sure that it works and it charges. I'll leave this off for now just so that this battery doesn't suck the power out of that battery and kill both batteries. So once I get the battery isolator in there, I'm taking out both these leads. I go to my distribution block that runs to my amps and shit. So I'm gonna run 2 fresh leads of 0 gauge from there. This battery is gonna be my primary battery for my music. That one's gonna be for starting the car. I'm waiting to order a battery for that because I want to make sure that I find a good battery, because for the 350 amp alternator, I can't run a regular battery or else it can blow up. That's going to be done. This wire, being that it's going to be for the distribution block and the wires go from here to here, I'm going to just cut this a little shorter so I have like extra small piece laying around for whatever I want to do with it. I would like to try to see if I can try to do something with that right there. Because it's dangling. I'm going to try to make something, but I don't think that's going to be fucking possible. So I might have to stay dangling like that, but I'll see what I can do. And then see if I can neaten up these wires even more than what it is, make it look all extra pretty and shit. This is the main line that goes for my alternator. The green one goes for my alternator as well. So that's the factory one. This is the second run. So all that's gonna get changed and done pretty soon. So for those who talk shit, I'm not done yet. Besides that, you're not even running a fucking isolator inside your car. Crazy, right? So the motherfucker that's talking shit, he's not even running an isolator inside his car. Not including the fact that he's running a factory alternator and he's trying to charge 2 batteries with that factory alternator. Which, if he doesn't know, which he's going to find out shortly, is that he's going to end up fucking up his car. Not including, I guarantee you, he's not running one of these either. You know, you're not supposed to run. And I tell people all the time, you're not supposed to run 4 or 5 wires in one terminal. You know, even though it works, you're not supposed to do it that way. It's like jerking off in an airplane. You know, it's like you can do it. It's not illegal, but you're not supposed to do it. You know. But let's get this work done in a few days because I just want to get a video out for today. I'm gonna post this so you guys can see the update. I'll post on how I did the regulator and all that shit for the battery isolator. Get that all good to go. I'm hoping, because I need to get a remote wire. Don't really want to use my amp wire if I don't have to. But that fuse block has a couple of fuses on it. Hopefully one of those fuses are ignition. And what the isolator does is that when you shut the car off, it cuts the power off to the second battery so that it doesn't drain. And then when you have the car started, what the isolator does is that it makes sure that both batteries stay in charge. And once the second battery is fully charged, it kills the power until it needs to kick on again to charge it. So that's how we do things right here. So for those that be talking shit, let me cook. I didn't say I was done yet. So once I do this, then I'm done. Once I'm done, then you can talk all the shit you want. But YouTube, we out here.